Hello, welcome to my channel 2-Minute English. Let's master English every day. Don't always say I love you. Today, I will use some ways to show your heart. You're mine. I need you. I can't live without you.
Wow!
I'm always thinking of you. I want to be with you. I love only you. You're always on my mind. You mean the world to me. You have my heart. I'm infatuated with you. You're everything to me. You're my one and only. I cherish you. You're the love of my life. I'm crazy about you. I have feelings for you. You're my soulmate. You complete me. I'm captivated by you. You're my everything. I'm smitten with you. You're the light of my life. I'm head over heels for you. You're the apple of my eye. You're my true love. You make my heart skip a beat. You're my sunshine. You hold the key to my heart. You're my dream come true. I'm deeply in love with you. You're the love of my life. I treasure you. I'm crazy about you. You're my happiness. You're my reason for living. If it's useful, please like, share, and subscribe to master English every day.